Hare Krishna, a hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a crispy snacks recipe. Today we will make nimkis. These small triangular snacks are quick and easy to make. So let's start quickly. First take a mixing plate. Add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. You can use wheat flour also. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon carom seed, which we will crush it against our palm. Add 1 tablespoon nigella seed or kalonji. Mix it once. Add 3 tablespoon melted ghee. Now give it a good mix. Make sure the ghee combines well. I have mixed it well. You can see its texture. It's forming a lump. Next, we will add approximately 1/4 cup of water, part by part. Knead the dough well. It shouldn't be too hard, not too soft. For more bhoga offering recipes, you can search for Krishna's Cuisine in YouTube and scroll down for all. I have listed down all the ingredients with their quantity in the description box below. You can refer it. Now I have kneaded the dough. You can see its texture. Maintain the same texture. Now cover this dough and let it rest for half an hour. Meanwhile, we will prepare a slurry. Here I have used 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add into 3 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it into a slurry or a paste. Make sure there are no lumps. Our slurry is ready. Now it has been half an hour. Let's check our dough. Next, I have taken a portion of the dough. Knead it once again. By keeping it for rest makes the ghee set in the dough. Next, I have taken a portion of the dough. We will roll it into a thin large chapati. I have rolled it large. Now apply the slurry onto this chapati. Spread it. This slurry prevents the opening of nimkis while frying. Spread it evenly, including the edges. Now let's roll this chapati inwards. Cut this roll equally into equal small portions. We have cut them equally. Next, take a portion, roll it into a small thin puri. Fold this puri into half and again fold it. One nimki is ready. Similarly, I will roll another one also. I have rolled all and they have been shaped. Now pierce each nimki using a fork. Here I have heated oil to fry the nimkis. Let's add the nimkis and fry them on low flame. The most important point to note here is that the oil must not be too hot initially, or else the bubbles will start appearing on the nimkis. And second is, we will fry the nimkis on low flame initially and gradually increase the flame later. We have to fry them till they turn light golden in color. You can see they have been fried well. Let's take them out. You can see their surfaces have no much bubbles. Similarly, all our nimkis have been fried here. You can see the layer and clear surface of our nimkis. Nimkis are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Krishna. Our crispy nimkis are offered and ready. You can honor the prasad. If you like bhoga recipes, like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipes. If you like to watch bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and be